my dear kids. Today's topic is gender. Now what comes to your mind when I say gender? Yes, it talks about male, female, neuter and so on. So here we will see what exactly this gender is. Now look at the board. Here you can see there are four kinds of gender. The first one is masculine gender, right? The second one is feminine gender. The third one is neuter gender, and the last one is common gender, my dear student. Now first we will discuss about the two kinds of gender, that is masculine gender and feminine gender. Before moving to the topic, let me know what exactly do you understand by masculine and what exactly you understand by feminine. Don't you think from the word itself we can come to know that masculine means related to muscle, or who have muscle? The boys or the male have muscle, right? So here you can see masculine gender means nouns which are names of males. Males in the sense, for example, king, horse, dog. Yes? Okay. Now let us move to the feminine gender. Again the same question. What do you understand by feminine? And don't you think from the feminine itself we come to know that it talks about female, right? So now we will see the nouns which are names of female. For example, queen, woman, bitch, lioness. So how easy this topic is, my dear student. Masculine is related to male and feminine is related to female. Masculine, under that we will name all the male. Okay? It may be a human being or it may be a what? Animal. But we will talk about the male version. Whereas in the feminine, which is related to female or which is talking about female, we will talk about the female version, that is queen, woman, lioness, bitch. Now, please write it down. We will move to the next topic, that is neuter gender. We will talk about the third type of gender, that is neuter gender. What comes to your mind? Masculine gender is talking about male. Feminine gender talks about female. What is this neuter gender? Yes, neuter gender is nothing but, my dear student, neither it is female, neither it is male. Then what are left? The lifeless object. Yes. So if I say the nouns which are lifeless objects are called to be neuter gender. So you know the examples what are lifeless objects. The place where you are sitting right now, my dear kids, you can rotate your head throughout the room and you can find out the lifeless object or the non-living things. Whatever examples, whatever you are seeing around you, wherever you are sitting, all are lifeless objects. That means which do not have life in it. That means which is a non-living thing. Where you are sitting on the chair, or you are sitting in the chair, or you are using a table in front of you, right? Table is a non-living thing. The chair you are sitting is a lifeless object, and the pen you are using, or the pencil you are using, or the eraser you are using, that is lifeless object. Or if you are using, or if you are sitting under a table lamp, even the table lamp is a lifeless object, right? So here I am holding a marker. A marker is a lifeless object. A watch is a lifeless object. Yes or no? Yes. So it's very easy. So you can write any examples what you like. Doesn't need, it's not that necessary that what I have written you need to write it down. You can write whatever lifeless object you are seeing around in that particular room where you are sitting. Okay. So I hope the masculine gender, feminine gender and the neuter gender is clear to you. Now let us move to the third or the last two gender. Till then you please write it down. We'll talk about the last gender, that is, my dear student, common gender. From the first, again I will repeat, masculine gender means related to male, feminine gender related to female, neuter gender related to lifeless object, and what is this common gender? Common gender is nothing but, my dear student, where both male and female is combined here. Like here you can see the definition is nouns which are both the names of males and females. I know all are clear about this topic and you can write lots and lots ample of examples. Yes? Yes. Now let us move to the examples. You will be more clearer what we consider in this common gender. Like baby. For example, if I say baby, baby means it can be a baby boy, it can be a baby girl. If I say friend, it can be a girlfriend or it can be a boyfriend, right? Again, student, it can be a girl or it can be a boy. Here servant, again, servant or maid you can say, it can be a lady or it can be a man. It can be a boy, it can be a girl, right? And again, cousin. Cousin, it doesn't mean that it is not specifically the male cousin or the female cousin. As we know, common gender is considered to be both, right? Male or female. So in cousin, we have what? Even girl or we can have a boy, right? Parents, including both. Parents means mother and father. Bird. Bird means variety of birds. It can be a male bird, it can be a female bird. Person, again, you and me. Again, singer. If I am a singer, you can be also a singer. So both male and female is considered to be singer. Now doctor, it can be a male doctor or it can be a female doctor. Again, enemy. Enemy, my dear student. In your class, you may be having enemy, right? So I may be also having enemy. Doesn't mean that it's talking about a girl enemy or a boy enemy. Here common gender means including both. So I hope this topic is very clear to you and you will definitely write it down. So my dear students, whatever I am teaching, just try to write it down in your notebooks. Till then, have a nice day and if you have any queries, feedbacks, do comment on my chat box. Till then, thank you all.